Hi, this is David Dorrier, and thanks so much for stopping by this workshop, Create the Perfect Elevator Pitch and Networking Event. I wanted to tell you a little bit about what you can expect while you're at this workshop. First of all, I limit the event to 24, so it's a small enough event and it will encourage engagement with everybody and everybody getting involved. You can expect that you will create a new 60-second elevator pitch that you can use at any networking event that you go to. This is where you are asked to stand up and give your 60-second elevator pitch. This is who I am and this is what I do. You'll also have an opportunity to meet others within the group and network with them, and you'll have an opportunity at the end of this event to test drive your new elevator pitch by presenting it to everybody in the group. I look forward to meeting you. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out this workshop, Create the Perfect Elevator Pitch and Networking Event. I look forward to seeing you soon. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.